Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to change a component color in Fusion 316. First, open your project and locate the object you want to change its color. For example, let's change the body color. Select it, then right click on it and click Appearance, or just click A in your keyboard. From this list, you can see different categories. You can click on it to see the colors available, or just you can search the color you want. Choose the color you want, then download it. Wait for some seconds, then drag and drop it on the object, and click remove. And yeah, you have successfully changed the color of a component in Fusion 316. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.